Love is not just an emotion. It is a connection we learn to build.
The color splash effect creates a dramatic look by keeping one specific color in your image while turning everything else black and white. Start by duplicating your main image layer to create a backup copy. Add a black and white adjustment layer on top of the stack to convert the entire photo to grayscale. Select the adjustment layer's mask, select a soft round brush, and set the brush color to black. Paint over the specific object or area you want to pop, revealing the original vibrant colors underneath. Zoom in close to refine the edges of the mask, ensuring there are no bleeding colors, and export the final eye-catching photo.